Hammond i fyny amdani. Mae allan i not, mae'n ffigio, mae'n gyfle i groesi, ond yn isel mae'n mynd. At Clayton Green, y capten ar ymyl y cwrt. Mae'n gwiro at Hammond! A gwir gyfle cynta'r gêm yr ymwelwyr. Evans, sgoriodd yn erbyn Hwlffordd. Ar ôl San Steffan wrth gwrs. Gwaith da gan Corey Jenkins. Allan at Green sy'n ergydio. Ac oedd angen yr arbediad gan Jones. Hammond a Lee Jenkins i fyny amdani. Allan nawr as Williams. Croesiad gan Richards at y canol! A'r golwr Jones yn colli gafel ar y bêl, a mae Clayton Green di sgorio am yr ail gêm yn olynol yn erbyn Hwlffordd. 2 munud yr ail hanner di chwarae, mae'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Gornel yn cael ei chwipio at y canol. Gwaith da gan Vincent i'w ffenio hi'n glir, ond mae dal yno i'r tîm cartre. Croesiad eto at y canol o Vincent, eto fyth i fyny amdani. Yr ergyd i mewn gan Abruzzese, nawr te oedd na lawio. Mae Hwlffordd yn hawlio cic o'r smotyn. Dyn ni wedi chwarae bob eiliad o'r 90. Ioan Evans ar cic! O, smon a llwyr gan Ashley Morris. Mae Hwlffordd yn gyfartal. Wel, nath Leeds i ildio gol o gamgymeriad gwael yn y gêm ar ôl San Steffan. Morris sydd ar camgymeriad yn y gêm hon.
And the endeavour and the work ethic that we've shown again today, you know, we're always in every game, and I think that's a real sort of key thing about our group. You know, every game we're competitive, every game we're in, but now we've got to start to make those into points now, and to get 4 points over Christmas is a real good return. We're going to continue now.
Horrendous, worst game of the season I've seen. I can give the boys credit for keep going and plugging away, but I don't think we deserve much out of that game myself.
Yes, very slim chances now of finishing in the top 6.
That's been gone for weeks. That's been gone for weeks. I haven't been thinking about top 6 since we lost at Newtown. That's the honesty, because other teams are winning more games of football and doing it more regularly, and we've been. That's our season. So inconsistent. It's something that we need to improve on. Well, I need to improve on.
As it stands, we're still in the bottom 2, so I think 2 go down, but we're getting closer now to. I think we're a point away from Aberystwyth, still a couple of points away from Flint, and. I think Carnarvon aren't too far away as well now, with maybe 5 or 6 points. So yeah, it's closer now. We've got a few games coming up before the split, and then we'll be playing all these bottom 6 teams. So it'll come down to those games really.